So hi, welcome back. I'll be showing you how you can trace a logo out of an image of the logo in CorelDraw, a designing program. So let's say I have this logo of tongue tips and then I want to drag it into the document in CorelDraw. So you can convert this image into the vectors or the shapes that constructed the logo. So right click on the image and then head over to outline trace. Click on logo. Afterwards you can increase the details so that the vectors that construct the logo is much detailed. You can smoothen it up, maybe not too smooth. So you can also adjust the smoothness of the edges, but it's not necessary. So click on OK afterwards. There you go. You've just created this vector of the logo that we traced from this image. Afterwards you can click on Well To so that it's united just like so, and then afterwards you can edit all of the nodes from the vector that we just created by tracing this image, and then you're done. That's how you can trace a logo from an image of the logo so that it's converted into vectors or shapes that constructed the logo in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.